Hi, I'm Tom with Kuat. Let's walk through the IBEX Panel Kit and some of its innovative features. The panel kit is all metal. The roof and the perimeter are aluminum, and the doors are constructed of steel. It's all finished with an industrial-grade ballistic black powder coat. The panels open up and are operated by gas struts. Just twist the locking handles and gain quick access to your truck bed. The panel kit is enclosed, weather-resistant, and fully locking for added security. It's also completely modular. For example, you can remove a side panel and add a molly. It's so configurable, you can switch it out by season or by trip. Plus, with the IBEX Panel Kit, you will still have access to the crossbars to maximize the roof and elevate your adventure. A separate riser kit will be available to complement this setup too. And icing on the cake, a third brake light is included for added visibility and safety. To ensure the perfect fit and current compatibility, visit kuat.com or contact us at info@kuatracks.com. And just like all of our products, the IBEX Panel Kit is covered by our No Worries limited warranty. So we've got your rack and your back.